Brighten your lips naturally with rose water.
Hello everyone! Today we're diving into the world of natural skincare, specifically focusing on a remedy for dark or pigmented lips. Many people often wonder, can rose water be used as a natural remedy to treat dark or pigmented lips? The short answer is yes, and in this video, we will explore how and why it works.
What causes dark or pigmented lips?
Before we move into the remedy, let's talk about what causes dark or pigmented lips. It could be due to various reasons such as excessive exposure to sun, lack of hydration, smoking, and even constant use of low-quality cosmetics. Now, let's see how rose water can help.
How can rose water help?
Rose water is known for its healing, brightening, and soothing properties. It can help in lightening the skin tone, reducing pigmentation, and providing the much-needed hydration. This is due to the antioxidants present in rose water that help in strengthening skin cells and regenerating skin tissues.
How to use rose water for dark or pigmented lips?
Using rose water for treating dark or pigmented lips is quite easy. Simply soak a cotton pad in rose water and dab it onto your lips. Leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing it off with cool water. Repeat this daily for the best results. For an even more potent remedy, mix equal amounts of rose water and honey, apply this mixture to your lips, and leave it on for about 15 minutes before washing off. The honey provides additional moisturizing and lightening benefits, making this combination a powerful natural remedy for dark or pigmented lips. So there you have it. Rose water is indeed a natural remedy that can help treat dark or pigmented lips. Remember, the key is consistency in application and giving the remedy time to show results. Always remember to use natural and pure rose water for the best effect. Thank you for watching, and here's to brighter, healthier lips.